Mr. Speaker, this is World Water Week, and when we look at the state of water in Alberta, we see that the communities in southern Alberta have run out of water allocations. The South Saskatchewan River Basin has been rated the most threatened river in Canada, and 2010 is projected to be another year of drought, the 7th in the last decade. To the Minister of the Environment, why does the minister choose to respect an antediluvian, industry-centric system at the expense of the inclusion of new or growing regions?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I'm not sure I understand the reference that the member makes, but the fact of the matter is that in the preamble, the member stated some various obvious issues. We are entering a drought. Wasn't my cause. We do have pressure on the South Saskatchewan. Wasn't a result of the government. What is the government doing, Mr. Speaker? We are taking very seriously our responsibility to ensure that we protect the water in the best available way and that we allocate that water to all necessary users.
The Honourable Member.
Thank you to the same minister. Given that more water will be pulled out of the rivers if the FITFER, first in time, first in right owners are allowed to sell their allocations, why is the minister moving toward a water market which further entrenches this system?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I shouldn't have to remind this member, because I think she above all should know that there's only so much water that's in the river, and so to suggest that more water can be withdrawn is an inaccurate statement. Mr. Speaker, what we're talking about is sharing in the most equitable way the water that's available, while at the same time, and I must emphasize this, Mr. Speaker, assuring that the number one priority is the protection of the healthy aquatic ecosystem, and that is a nature conservation set-aside.
The Honourable Member.
No, not true. Back to the same minister. Why is the minister playing both sides against the middle with his insistence on keeping the centuries-old I got here first entitlement and pitting it against the threatened water system of the South Saskatchewan and other water basins?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, I think that's kind of what politics is all about, isn't it? It's about recognizing and respecting the history and putting in plans and necessary policies in place to ensure our future. That's exactly what my job is about. That's what I do every day. I balance between historical record and future needs.
The Honourable